back to my channel Titli. I'm Priyanka here, and today's video is going to be a haul video. It is a mixed haul video which has skincare, makeup, hair care, and yeah, that's it. And these products have been purchased by me from different websites. So in this haul, I will be sharing with you all products that I've already used and I have repurchased them, products that are new for me, and also products that are new. Though they are new, I have used them. And because the products are ordered from different websites, it came to me in different time, and so I started use some of them. Also, make sure that if you're new here, you do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and like this video and share it with all your friends and family. The whole and sole purpose of making this haul video is that if you want to know about any product, like any particular product, you can just let me know in the comment section below so that I can make short videos out of it, or I can just give a proper review about them. The links for all the product will be given in the description box below, so do check it out. First product that I have is this one. This is the L'Oreal Smooth Shine Serum, and this is my second purchase because I have already been using this serum for months and I actually like this. It gives like instant shine to your hair and smoothens my hair. So yeah, this is my second purchase. I have is the PAC Compact. This is the Spotlight Compact from PAC, and it is in the shade 05 Almond. I'm not a compact person, being very frank, but yeah, whenever I want to use or just touch up my makeup, I use this one, and it absolutely matches my skin tone. So yeah, I like it. Now coming to another product, this is the Biotic Bioberry Hydrating Cleanser, and I am a huge fan of this cleanser because it is meant for all skin type, and it actually does it because I have a combination skin, so my face doesn't feel dry, neither do it feel oily after using it, and it deeply cleanses the skin. Now if you have been following me, you guys must be aware that I'm a huge fan of these serums from Good Vibes, and both the serum are same. I just stopped them because एक खत्म हो जाए, I immediately want another because I just can't stop using them. This is a vitamin C Goji Berry Depigmentation and Wrinkle Balancing Serum. It is a very nice serum. Throughout the summer I use this. It helps you to control your pigmentation. It doesn't allow the pigmentation to increase. Now I have a combo. It's not just a combo, you also get it individual. I have this Wow shampoo and conditioner with green tea and tea tree. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. So I have been using this, and yeah, I am facing the issue of dandruff, and these are my second bottles. I would definitely share with you all my dandruff history, why it happened, how it happened. Now, like one of my favorite makeup product is this one. Ultra affordable and so good. This is the NYB liquid eyeliner. Guys, this is so good. If you have been following me, you must have seen my videos on Instagram that I use this eyeliner so frequently. Not frequently, like whenever I want to put an eyeliner, I just use this one. In fact, even today in this makeup look, I have used this eyeliner. This is freaking so good. It is waterproof, smudge proof, long lasting, and it just it has the perfect tip of a liner that can give you that perfect wing eyeliner. I just love this product. Another product from purple.com that I got for myself is this Stay Quirky Lip Balm, and this is the Vanilla Lust 2, and I can give you a mini review of this because I have been using it. It is a good lip balm for the people who doesn't have extremely dry lips, but if you have extremely dry lips and you're looking for a lip balm and you're thinking to invest on this one, then please drop this idea. Coming to another product that I desperately wanted and I was searching for it in every other website. This is the SFR eyeshadow palette, and these are the pressed pigment palette, and it has two editions. One is the red one and the another one is green one. I just wanted any palette that I can get my hands on, and luckily I got this palette in Flipkart. And they also charge extra for the delivery, but still I wanted it at any cost, and so I got this. Also, this eye makeup that you can see today is done using this particular palette, only this palette. I have not used any other palette. Next product that I have is this one. This is the Let's Shave Aware kit. It is a complete shaving kit. It has everything that you need to do shaving at home. It is designed especially for women, and if you want a separate video, I would definitely love to do this. The next product is this one. This is the Senfe menstrual cup. I already have a complete video on menstrual cup on my channel. You can check it out. I'll provide the link in the description box below or somewhere here on the I button. Now I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and this is a very nice product, a very nice product. If you haven't used it yet, this is like the mini version of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Last product of this haul, but definitely not the least, this is my favorite product, and this is the Good Vibes Tea Tree Essential Oil. And if you guys have been following me, you guys know how much I love essential oils and how much I love Good Vibes Essential Oils. And this is the tea tree one, which I badly love. Firstly, it helps me to control my dandruff that I'm facing right now, which has decreased a lot. And also in my skincare I add them, though I have no acne problems, but still this is like my favorite. I use it in my face packs also. So yeah, this is something that I love, my favorite product. So guys, I hope this haul will be useful for the ones who wanted to know about some products. For the next time, stay positive, stay clean, keep your surroundings clean, follow all the COVID protocols. Bye bye.